All right, we're doing a docking video with a pontoon boat. We get a lot of requests for how to dock a pontoon boat because they're kind of big and lethargic, but they dock just fine. We're gonna be pulling into the slip down here on the right, just next to this other pontoon boat. I'm coming down the fairway, just bumping in and out of gear. My current's kind of going from starboard to port, a little light wind at my stern. It's relatively calm. I pick my time to make my turn into my slip, wheel to my right, forward gear. You can see my bows turning to my right. I then at a time decide neutral, wheel to my left, reverse. I'm stopping that forward action going towards the slip, and then I am bringing the stern to my port side, my bow over to my starboard side, back to neutral, wheel to my right, forward gear, back to neutral, boat's pivoting into the slip, straightening out the wheel, into forward gear, back to neutral, a little bit to my right, forward gear, back to neutral. Now on the slip, I may tap the side just a little bit, and that's okay. Looks like I'm going right in. As I get in the slip, I'm going to want to stop the boat. A little bit of a reverse gear. Stops the boat. Back to neutral. We're in the slip. Drawing the lines. It's just that easy.